Good morning, students. Today in this video we will discuss about some problems in exercise 1A. Second Roman, second problem. Which of the following are injections or surjections or bijections? Justify your answer. First one, f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. Here f is a function defined from real number set to real number set such that f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. The given function is f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. Now we have to show that the function f from R to R is injection. That means 1 to 1 function. In your previous video, I told that what is the proof technique of 1-1 function. In the same manner as you discussed in that video, let us take two elements from the domain set. That means let x1 and x2 are the elements in the domain real number set R, which is the domain. And assume that the images are equal. The images of these two elements are equal. Assume that the images of these two elements, that means f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Let us show the elements are equal. For that, given function is f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. So, f of x1 means substitute x1 value in this. You get 2x1 plus 1 by 3, and if you substitute x2 instead of x, you get 2x2 plus 1 by 3. Now simplify these two things. Now 3 is cancelled in both sides, LHS side and RHS side, and then 2x1 plus 1 equal to 2x2 plus 1. Now plus 1 and plus 1 in both sides cancelled. Now the remaining is 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Now cancel 2 on both sides. You get x1 is equal to x2. You have taken f of x1 is equal to f of x2. You got x1 is equal to x2. That means what? If images of two elements in the domain are equal, then those two elements are also equal. And by the definition of 1-1 function, what you can say? The function f from R to R is an injection. B. To prove f from R to R is a surjection. The given function is f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. Now we have to prove that the function f is surjection. That means onto function. The function f is an onto function. As we discussed in previous video, we have to use proof technique of onto. Let us take y belongs to R. That means y is an element of codomain, and assume f of x is equal to y. Assume f of x is equal to y. What is f of x? The given function is 2x plus 1 by 3. Write this. 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to y. Now write x value in terms of y. That means transpose all the values to right side. Then 2x plus 1 is equal first transpose 3. Then it becomes 2x plus 1 is equal to 3y. Now transpose plus 1. 2x is equal to 3y minus 1. If you transpose plus 1 to right side, then it becomes minus 1. So now transpose 2 value, it will be x is equal to 3y minus 1 by 2. If you transpose any number in multiplication, it becomes reciprocal of this one. So x is equal to 3y minus 1 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. X is equal to 3y minus 1 by 2. It is the value of x in terms of y, which is belongs to R. That means it is a domain set. R is a domain set. Let us observe the pictorial representation of the function. F is a function from R to R. That means a given f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. That means the image of x is 2x plus 1 by 3. Now, if you take f of x is equal to y, this is a function of f of x value, f of x is equal to y. If you take f of x is equal to y, then there should be an element in domain. For this y value, we should have a value in domain, that is 3y minus 1 by 2. For any value y in codomain, there exists an element 3y minus 1 by 2. Therefore, we can write like this by the definition of surjection. For every element in codomain, that means for every y belongs to R, which is codomain set, there exists an element 3y minus 1 by 2. 3y minus 1 by 2 belongs to R, which is a domain set. X in terms of y, right here 3y minus 1 by 2 belongs to R, such that f of 3y minus 1 by 2 is equal to what? Substitute 3y minus 1 by 2 in the given function. F of x is equal to x plus 1 by 3. Substitute 3y minus 1 by 2 here in place of x. You get 2 into 3y minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. That is equal to, cancellate these 2 and 2 divided by 2. Cancellate these 2. Then you get 3y minus 1 plus 1 by 3. Here minus 1 and plus 1 cancelled out. The remaining are 3y by 3. Again here cancel 3 and 3. We get y. That means f of 3y minus 1 by 2 is equal to y. Therefore, by the definition of surjection, we can say that f from R to R is a surjection. In from A and B, you can say f is a bijection. F from R to R is a bijection. In A, we proved that f is a injection, and in B, you proved f is a surjection. From these two, you can say that f from R to R is a bijection. Second problem and second one. F from R to open interval, if you put this type of brackets, this type of parenthesis, we call it as open interval. Open interval 0 comma infinity, defined by f of x is equal to 2 power x. 2 power x, given function is a defined on real number set to open interval 0 comma infinity. This means what? We have only values between 0 and infinity. That means it does not include 0. It does not include 0. Defined by f of x is equal to 2 power x. Now, first we have to show that the given function f from R to open interval 0 comma infinity is injection. Injection means what? 1 function. We have to show if given function is 1 function. For this, take two elements from the domain. The given function is f of x is equal to 2 power x. Assume f of x1 is equal to x2. Take any two elements from the domain, and if images of these two elements are equal, then we have to show these two elements are also equal. For that, assume that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x1? Substitute x1 value in given function 2 power x. 2 power x means what? 2 power x1, which is equal to, substitute x2 value in x, then 2 power x2. That implies and implied by x1 is equal to x2. Why this? Because if bases are equal, then the powers are equal by our law of exponents. You know that if bases are equal, then powers are also equal. Therefore, we proved that if images of any two elements are equal, then the elements are also equal. Therefore, f from R to 0 to infinity is injection. Okay. B, to show that f from R to 0, open interval 0 comma infinity is surjection. Given function is what? F of x is equal to 2 power x. Let us take y belongs to open interval 0 comma infinity. Codomain. Codomain. Let us take an element from codomain. Then what is it? And also take f of x is equal to y. The image of x is y. What is 2 power x is equal to y? By the definition of logarithm, it becomes what? X is equal to log y base 2. In our previous classes, We know that a power x is equal to b, that implies and implied by log b base a is equal to x. By using this formula, you can write x is equal to log y base 2, which is belongs to domain, which is belongs to domain R, real number set R. Now, therefore, by the definition of surjection, we can write like this. For every y belongs to open interval 0, comma infinity, there exists, for every y belongs to open interval 0, comma infinity, there exists log y base 2 belongs to R domain such that f of log y base 2 is equal to f of x is equal to 2 power x. So f of log y base 2 equal to 2 power log y base 2. 2 power log y base 2. That implies f of log y base 2 equal to what? Y. Why? Because we know that the formula a power log n base a is equal to n in your previous classes. You know that this formula a power log n base a equal to n. By using this formula, you get 2 power log y base 2 is equal to y. Therefore, once again, check the definition. For every y belongs to open interval 0, comma infinity, in, that means codomain, there exists a element log y base 2 in domain such that f of log y base 2 is equal to y. For every element in the codomain, there exists element in the domain such that image of log y base 2 is equal to y. Pictorial representation of this function. F is a function from R to open interval 0, comma infinity. F of x is equal to 2 power x. So the image of x is 2 power x. If 2 power x is equal to y, then what happens? There exists an element log y base 2 in the domain log y base 2. Simply observe, for every value in the codomain, there exists log y base 2. Why? If you take any element in this codomain, log y base 2 is defined. We know that what is the definition of logarithm function? Logarithm function is defined for every positive value, non-negative value. That means here we have only positive real numbers. Open interval means the extremes are not included in this interval. Open interval means what? The extremes, that means the end points are not included in this set. So 0 is not included. If 0 includes, then what happens? Log 0 does not defined. So 0 is not in this codomain set. 0 0.1, 0 0.2, whatever the value you can take, the log is defined on that element. So for every y, there is a log y base 2, log y in the domain. So what can we say? That for every element in the codomain, there exists a pre-image in the domain. So we can say that the function f from R to open interval 0, comma infinity is a surjection. Therefore, f is a surjection. From A and B, f from R to open interval 0, comma infinity is bijection. By the definition of bijection, what you know? If any function is both 1, 1 and on 2, then that function is said to be bijective function. The next one is third, next problem. F from open interval 0, comma infinity to R defined by f of x is equal to log x base e. The function f from open interval 0, comma infinity to R defined by f of x is equal to log x base e. Now we have to prove that this function is 1, 1 or onto or bijection. Let us prove the first one. To prove f from open interval 0, comma infinity to R is injection. Simply take any two elements in the domain. Let us take x1, x2 belongs to open interval 0, comma infinity and assume that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That means what? The images of these two elements are equal. Let us assume the images of these two elements are equal. That means f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is the given function? F of x is equal to log x base e. So substitute x1 value in this, then you get log x1 base e is equal to log x2 base e. Calculate logarithm on both sides, you get x1 is equal to x2. You have taken images are equal for two elements and you got those two elements are equal. So by the definition of one function, you conclude that the function given function is injection. Now prove B. To prove f from 0 to infinity to r is surjection. For that, let us take y belongs to or y belongs to codomain, and also suppose that f of x is equal to y. Let us take y belongs to codomain. Okay, y is a element in codomain, then and also f of x is equal to y. That means image of x is y. Now what is the definition of f of x? F of x is equal to log x base e. So substitute f of x value, log x base e is equal to y. By the logarithm definition, we know that x is equal to e power y. We know that already. A power x is equal to b implies and implied by double implies means implies and implied by log b base a is equal to x. By using this formula, a power x is equal to b implies and implied by log b base a is equal to x. So here the base is e, so x is equal to e power y. Understood? Which belongs to, since x belongs to real number set, e power y also belongs to g open interval 0 comma infinity. Okay, since x is an element in a domain, e power I also an element in the domain. Now understand this pictorially. F is a function from open interval 0 comma infinity to r. Okay, x, for every x there is an image log x base e. By the definition of f function f of x is equal to log x base e. So the image of x is what? Log x base e. If you take f of x is equal to y, if you take f of x is equal to y, for every element y there is a element e power y in domain. There exists an e power y in domain. Okay, for a let us take any value in the real number set, either negative value or positive. Let us take minus value, negative value -1. If you take -1, then e power -1. E power -1 gives what? 1 by e. 1 by e is what? Positive real number. So positive real numbers are belongs to open interval 0 comma infinity. So for every element y, there should be an element e power y in the domain. For every element y in the codomain, there should be an element e power y in the domain set. Let us take another example. If you take 2, then e square. E square is a positive value. E square is also in that interval 1 to 0 open interval 0 comma infinity. Open interval 0 comma infinity means what? Set of all positive real numbers. So e square and 1 by e are all belongs to open interval 0 comma infinity only. So finally you conclude that for every element in codomain there exists e power y in domain set. So we can say that the given function f is surjection. For every element there exists a pre-image. For every element in codomain, there exists a pre-image to that element. So we can say that f is a surjection. We can write like this. For every y belongs to R, there exists an element e power y belongs to domain open interval 0 comma infinity such that f of e power y is equal to what? E substitute e power y in this function log e power y base e, log e power y base e. That implies f of e power y is equal to y log e base e. How you can write log a power n is equal to n log a. By using this formula, you can write log e power y base e as y into log e base e. Again, you know that log a base a is equal to 1. So f of e power y is equal to y. For every y belongs to R in the codomain, there exists an element e power y belongs to open interval 0, infinity such that f of e power y is equal to y. So finally you conclude that the function f from open interval 0, infinity to R is a surjection. Now from A and B, f is a bijection. Okay. We will continue remaining problems in the next video.